Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I noticed this a few days ago while I was hanging my laundry on the clothesline here, and I noticed this shell. And I said to myself, that looks like a cicada shell. But wasn't sure. And then looked up some pictures of it, and it was. I haven't seen those in a while. And of course, as some of you do know, cicadas live on the ground for 17 years. And of course, they feed off the roots of trees in the underground, and then they come back. And of course, as I was saying, they come out and of course do that. Go on a tree, and then suddenly they get out of that shell right there. I mean, I used to see those all the time when I was a little girl, but I haven't seen one in a while. Yeah, I thought I should show you guys. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and go in because I think it's going to rain. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Alright, take care guys, bye, love you.